Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can do the old face filter trend on TikTok with CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, make sure you have installed CapCut application on your mobile phone. As you can see here, I have installed the CapCut application. You can get this CapCut application from Play Store or Apple Store if you are iOS user. And after you have installed this application, you can open it. And you have to prepare photo or video you want to edit. You can select photo or video that you like, and then you can click on new project to create new project on CapCut. And then for example, I'm just going to use my photo. I'm going to select photo from this folder. I'm just going to select this one guys. Okay, I'm going to add it to my project, and then I'm going to duplicate my photo. I'm going to select the duplicate option. We can scroll all the way to the right until we find a deduplicate. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how we can get the old face filter. You can go to the effect menu and then select the body effect, and in this body effect you are going to go to the role category right here, and then to turn your face into an old face you can select the aged, this one. All right, and then as you can see guys, now the effect has been applied to my photo, and I'm going to move it right here. Okay, I'm going to make transition. Okay, you can select this transition option, and then you can choose the best transition for your editing. And I'm going to try now and then transition. Okay, this one. Okay, let's try it. And let's see what we have. I'm going to check it guys. Okay, it looks good. Or if you're not satisfied with this transition, you can replace it with another transition in the CapCut. You can go back to the transition and you can choose the best transition. Let's try the overlay transition. I'm going to select the mix. Let's try it. Okay, it's good. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. And then once you're ready, you can once you're ready to save it, you can click on export. Okay guys, and that's all the way to do the old face filter trend on TikTok with CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.